Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We opened up a bunch of Matchbox the last video, I believe. So I decided let's open up some Hot Wheels. Not as much. I only got 6 of them, and they're relatively new. They're not as old as the other Matchbox, so might not be as exciting. The only thing exciting about it is we'll crack the first one. We'll just get that going, all right? So we're gonna crack this Subaru Impreza STI version. It's a 98. That's the card. This is the 2020 case, I believe. I'm not really big into those case and knowing what codes and stuff like that. When the cars come out, I just try to get one. Get 2 if I can. Get 3 if I can. All right, let's. So it's nice because it has the front headlights, and you got your symbol right there, your Subaru symbol, logo, and the rims. You know, even though they're just basic rims, they are gold, so that's pretty neat. Back headlight details, so this is pretty well done. I can see why people want it. It's quick too, eh? I wonder if this is the other STI is pretty quick on the track too. I wonder if this one's gonna be. There it is. All right, let's get to the next one. Next one's pretty exciting too. It's also brand new. I do have the Super for this too as well. If you guys want to know what the Super looks like, just look on your Instagram or something, because there's plenty of pictures. So I figured I don't need to show it in this video, but so R32. I really like this one because it's gray. It's really basic looking. I like that. Makes it way more real. Pretty sweet. All right. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so this is a Plymouth Superbird. I got this in my super big haul I took down a couple weeks ago. 1,200 cars, so I just really like this paint. And I don't have one of these giant Superbird cars with a giant wing on the back there, so let's check out what year this is from. This is from 2013, guys, so this is 6 years old. Time to come out and play. Wow, this casting feels huge. But there it is. There's a bunch of a bunch of people on the side here. Wow. Very nice. There we go. Not really into these kind of cars, but I'm happy to have an example. Hopefully it fits in cases and stuff. Alright, we got a 67 Camaro. This is one of those old school ones with the metal base and opening hood. This is from 09. So this is 10 years old. I do have the super original Super Treasure Hunt of this car. That's probably my most valuable car. Obviously I don't have that loose. But there you go. That's pretty sweet. Looks pretty good. Feels really heavy. Metal base, right? Metal body. Nice car. Nice car. Alright, so last 2. Got this James Bond, Aston Martin, DB5, 007. Sky's falling. So there it is. DB5, eh? A little bit on the old school Aston Martin. Looks good though. details. Details are really nice. DB5 it says on the back there. Really small. Wow, awesome. I'm actually pretty impressed by that. Alright, last one, guys. TV series Batman. I do collect this particular casting. I don't collect Batman stuff, but I do collect this particular casting because when I was growing up, this was the Batman that was on TV. This is the Batman I know. I don't really watch movies, so let's crack this open. This is from 2014. So I like this one. Ooh, the wrong way now. Let's lower the camera a little bit. Get a little bit of a better angle too. There we go. Alright. We'll zoom in a little bit. Pretty sweet. I do have a premium version of this one, which is all shiny and stuff. I like how matte this paint is. It looks more realistic, I think, to the actual car when it was on TV. Sweet. All right, guys, let's bring them all out, and we'll pick a favorite. So there's the big wing, we'll call that one. I'm pretty sure I know which one I'm going to be picking. My favorite. Okay. And it's going to be the Subaru. I am a JDM guy. And the backlight with the back temples done. The side's looking awesome. This new casting is freaking awesome. I cannot wait for them to make a premium of this one with real riders. This thing should be freaking awesome. Good job, Mattel. All right, guys, wasted enough of you guys' time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your buddies, tell your mom, whatever. Just get them watching, get them clicking the like button, comment, tell me what you guys want to see. I buy a lot of die casts, so if it's worth it to me, I'll buy it and I'll rip it open and show you guys. I love opening stuff too, so. All right, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.